So today we are going to unbox the Canon Pixma TS3350. So this is a cheap and cheerful printer which can print, scan and also connect wirelessly with the Wi-Fi router. We actually got it delivered this morning. We just bought it because we wanted something which was cheap and cheerful, and just it could do all the three things which we wanted, which this does. It scans, it prints, and it also connects to the Wi-Fi router wirelessly. So first we get is the manuals for the thing. So it comes out like this. So it's the wire. So this is the European or the Asian plug. This is the two ink cartridges for black and color. This is the printer itself. So that's the printer. So as we are in the UK, this is the UK plug, and also the color and the black and white cartridge, and this is the user manual. So we got this because it was only £40, and from the Canon website, anything which you buy over £30, you also have a free delivery. So it just arrived on time, and we were really impressed by how fast it was delivered. We only ordered it 2 days ago.
Canon has also included square photo paper, which are 5 by 5 inches or 13 by 13 centimeters. There are 3 sheets included, and they have also included the standard setup CD-ROM.
This particular plug is very useful if you wanted to use this product in Europe or in Asian countries such as India, because this 2-pin is widely used across Europe and many Asian countries like India, for instance. So yeah, so that's the unboxing of the Canon Pixma TS3350, and we will post a user review once we use it a bit. So thank you.